Crypto bubbles look so great when we compare against Bitcoin. These are the top 100 coins against Bitcoin. As you can see on crypto bubbles on the daily time frame, it looks greenish. The bubbles look greenish. It means at least to an extent, some of these altcoins are doing so well, even though Bitcoin is not doing that much, or Bitcoin is doing that much, but Bitcoin is not moving actually to anywhere. And this is one of the signs that we are getting into the alt season. You are welcome back again on my live stream. Today, I just want us to go through the entire crypto market, look at some possible trade entries. If say it's possible, we can take some trades live here today. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on today's crypto trading live stream. I'm gonna embark on some strategies, look at some possibilities, as I mentioned, to trade. So if you want to go with me, then stay tuned. Let's dive into this. All right. This is crypto bubbles, guys. We are just looking at the top 100 coins. Let's look at the top 200 coins. Actually, this was the top 200 coins. Let's look at the top 100 coins. Let's see what we got here. Oh, ICP is doing so well. Yeah. Wift also is doing so well. Popcat is down 8%. Gala is up. Floki is up. Yeah, but not that significantly up. But let's look at the weekly time frame. Let's see what has happened for the week. We can see Hex is up 48%. Tau is up 66%. APT, yeah, APT is doing well. Ondo, Popcat, yeah, most of these coins that you see, Sweet also, yeah, most of the coins you see here have outperformed Bitcoin for this week. Okay, and this is something I really love to, to help you guys with, to understand what you must do to look for coin, or how you look for coins that move alongside Bitcoin and are gonna outperform Bitcoin. You can see, or you can even go from the yearly performance of all of these coins. You can see Bong has done so well, Nia has done so well, AL has done so well, Yasmin, Tao, Pepe, Omo, Floki, Soul, Fed, Odi, CKB. These coins in green, the bubbles in green have outperformed Bitcoin. So if anything is gonna happen with Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin is gonna be moving greatly, all of these coins you see like this are gonna move greatly. They're gonna move as well. So they are the coins that really move alongside Bitcoin. You should pay attention to it. They move alongside Bitcoin, or Bitcoin they move after Bitcoin has moved. You can put it any way you want to put it, just how it is. So if we're gonna see all season soon, then most of these coins are gonna do so well. The ones that are in red, the bubbles that are in red, abject poverty, maybe, yeah, maybe they are dead, but of course they are not as if they are dead, but we might see more gains with them. But these coins can make you gains first before you can look for the other coins that are not doing so well. Dogecoin is not doing that well. Gala, and the rest. If you go to the top 200 coins, you're gonna see more of these coins. Mock, Tobo, Pepe Coin, Kogiai, Ice, Pendle. You can go to the top 300 coins. You're gonna see more of them as well. All of these coins, guys, they are doing well. And if Bitcoin is to move, to, like, let's say $80,000 per Bitcoin, you want to be in these coins first before you can start looking for any other coin out there, to get to your portfolio. So this is just like the things you should be looking at on crypto bubbles when you get there. Now let's look at this. This is the liquidation heat map, and looking at this heat map, I looked at this today and I saw that maybe we can go to, this is Bitcoin liquidation heat map. We can go to 62,000 or 61,000 before we go to 66,000 or 65,000. But let me refresh this to see where we are right now with price on the daily time frame. Okay. We don't have much liquidity again up here, but it's still the same, guys. We still have similar stuff. But back then, it was, I saw so many liquidity down here and down here, but it's still there. Let's go to the 12 hours time frame. Let's see what, yeah, it's still the same. We either we come right down to 62,000 and then 61,000, or we go straight away to 66,000. I don't know how that's going to play out, but we're going to look at the chart of Bitcoin to see what we might do. And guys, this applies to your altcoins. If Bitcoin is not doing that well, or like Bitcoin should just be moving sideways, like, or Bitcoin should be in a range of 62, 63,000. It should be just be in that range. If not, then all coins are gonna tank. So let's look at the um, the 3 days time frame. Okay, it shows that this zone is really, really a zone where Bitcoin is gonna come to. That's 62, 200, and maybe 61,000. These are possible zones. So if Bitcoin get there, guys, be rest assured that maybe your altcoins can give you some red signals as well. So that's just that for this. By the way, those of you who haven't yet follow me on X, this is my X account. Follow me on X. So let's have the X community built. You know. So this is my X, not my X. This is my X. Yeah, X. So I'm even live on X right now. Yeah. So let's dive into this. Let's look at some charts. Okay, Bitcoin is actually dumping as we speak, you know, and this is gonna cause other altcoins to dump, as well. We are looking at Bitcoin now on the 15 minutes time frame. So let me refresh this page and all right. So let's go to this chart first. Um, CSPL Casper, but I want to go to Bitcoin. We are seeing a slightly down for Bitcoin, but it's still looking at the 4 hours time frame for Bitcoin. We are still in this structure, but this is dangerous. Why? Because it has formed an M formation here. You see, on the 4 hours time frame, this could be an M formation. To take the price right down here to the 60,000 that I owe 61 that I mentioned. You see, so it could take this could take the Bitcoin to 61. This is let me see. It could take Bitcoin to 61, guys. Really. So let's just wait to see what it does, because provided price stays above the alpha trend, this is alpha trend. If price stays above the alpha trend for Bitcoin, then um we are good. But let's look for possible entries. Let's say um if there's a trade here, let me see on the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Hmm. All right. Let's see. This is it. Now, are we gonna see some sort of pullback here? Maybe yes. Why? Because we have gotten some more rejection here. But this time around, I think this candle here printed this buy signal, but it didn't go to create, like, to make higher highs. So I think if I have to pull in the fib, yeah. Let me see. Um, if I have to pull the fib here, I'm gonna see exactly where we might go. So let me try it. Let me try it this way. Let's just go to the 4 hours time frame so I can do this analysis there. From there, maybe we can see exactly on what might happen, because I already have these zones here that I marked. So I'm expecting price to hold. Yeah, if price is not able to hold that zone, then this is the next zone. And again, yeah, this is the zone. I already marked all of the zones here, guys. So you can see on the liquidation heat map, it shows that we might get to this 62 or 61. You can see also on my chart, I've marked these zones here for Bitcoin, so you can get there, which is, I think, is reasonable to say, but it's still dangerous because, guys, I remember I mentioned back then that we want to see Bitcoin move up, go above this zone here and trade above at least 65, 66,000. And I'm looking at the this heat map, I'm seeing that there's liquidity here that they can come and grab. So I don't know if say they're gonna go grab it here, or first of all grab these ones down there. I don't know, but that we are just speculating, guys. No one knows what is going on. We're just speculating, um, then preparing for what might happen. So this is Bitcoin, live. You know, the live price of Bitcoin. So if we just stay on, because right now, let's see if say we have some vector candles on the lower time frame. Let me see. Zoom this. Look at this buyback. You know. But let's just see what happened, because now, looking at this price has gotten into this range. We should look for possible entries, yeah, on the 5 minutes time frame, because there are still vectors here, and also this is something, like the Trendino is printing this. You can see down, so I think price is not going anywhere somehow. Yeah. So if you're in like if you you are in any altcoins, be careful, because this is the um okay, let me see what happened during the Asian section. um Now I want to look at times, session times. This was the Asian session. Yeah. Price has been moving sideways ever since last pump, because the last I think last week, um that was not yesterday, not last week, yesterday. Um, the market opened and the Asian session took price to 64,000. And this open, didn't take price anywhere. It just took price to around 62,900. And we went right up to the UK session. And after the UK session, we are now in the US session. So during the US session, I think it can take price down to 61,000. Yeah, I think so, guys. Um, if you want to trade this, then just wait a little bit for price to play out. Because I think if the price is gonna break this zone, then it's gonna take us right down to 61,000. Let's just see what Floki Inu is doing. Let's see what Floki Inu is doing. Let's see. Yeah, Floki Inu just break structure. Just break structure. Yeah. Yep. So it might take price right down, yeah, to recover all of these vectors. But this is a critical area that price should not break this zone here for baby Dogecoin. Oh yeah, this is baby Dogecoin, not Flocky, baby Dogecoin. So yeah, so this might take price right down there, but price should not break like that. If price break, then it's not gonna be nice for baby Dogecoin. Yes. Oh boy. I can see Lara. Hello, can you do review on ML Mint Layer? I think I've done a review on Mint Layer. If you guys, I can see four of you watching. If you want me to do a review on anything, at least do like the stream. I can see you watching, guys. Do like the stream. I appreciate if you like the stream. Let me just look. Let's see, Mint Layer, ZK Swap, Finance, and CHRP. Well, I can begin with CHRP. I've been wanting to do analysis on that. So let's see. CHRP. Chapley. Let's see what we got here with the Chapley, baby. Let's see. Let's look at Chapley on the daily time frame. Let's see what we got here. Um, okay, we are beginning to see recovery for Chapley and divergence here on the daily time frame, which is awesome, which is good. It means we are gonna start seeing some sort of recovery. Let me look at Chapley on this chart. This is gonna be CHRP. Let me look at this Bybit spot trading. Let's see. Okay, Yep, I got you, Chepley. Okay, so I already had this analysis for Chepley, and I like long time ago. You see, I drew that when price break this zone, it means price is gonna break structure. You know, this is the structure here that price must break before I can get into Floki Ino. Sorry, why am I saying Floki Ino? Chepley. If I can go into CHROP Chepley. Now, guys, Chepley has been in a downtrend. You can see if I draw a trend line here, you're gonna see that this bad boy has been in a downward trend line, down, 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 and if I bring in the alpha trend, I think, do I have the alpha trend here? Yeah, I do have the alpha trend here. You're gonna see that it has been trading below the alpha trend. You see, sell, sell, below, 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 below. So now let's wait for a buy signal for let's wait for the alpha trend to give us a buy signal. And when the alpha trend give us a buy signal, what we want to see is not something like this. What happened here before, yeah, we don't want to see this. What we want to see is for price to actually, do this like pump hold here, and we don't want to see the alpha trend print a sell signal, and price must not come right down here and break this previous low. So you can see price is forming lower lows and lower highs. You can see here quite clearly. So for us to confirm that structure has been broken, price must do what I just mentioned here, break structure, come here, hold, then we can now confirm that the target is going to be this zone here, the zone above. Yeah, this is the zone, that I drew this box. Yeah, so that's just what I'm looking at for Chepley for on the daily time frame. But if we have to go and look at this on, let's say, the 4 hours time frame, let's see if say we got some juries there. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, Chepley has broken structure for sure. But now, what I want to see is for price to stay above this range. So let me bring in my Fibonacci tool here and see if say we are on, yeah, we are on this range. Yeah, the range is still there. So price has gotten to this our zone and bounce from the from the alpha trend. So for us to actually confirm that this is gonna be a good buy for us, that we must see again price recover a little bit, then stay above this zone. But now there's still liquidity here that I think price, the market makers might come to grab. So maybe they can bring price here somehow towards the golden pocket here, before they take it to the upside, maybe, or they can bring price down here, around this zone. So you can mark out of these zones for Chepley and see what you got there, what might happen, anyways. So I think that's what I'm looking at for Chepley. If say the worst comes to the worst, but it can still bounce from here because this bad boy have been down, down, down. So it can still bounce from here because, as I mentioned, it has broken structure already. So this could just be a retracement, but the retracement still have some sort of liquidity here. So we can see price do something like this as well. Price can do something like this, it can do something like this, then come, then vote, so it can happen like that for Chepley. So that's what I'm looking at for Chepley. Let me see, what other coin do we have here? Mint layer, ML. I'm gonna be focusing on these coins more on the higher time frame because I'm more of a swing trader. Let's see, ML. I have never liked ML. Anyways, let me just see what's going on the daily time frame. Yeah, ML is attempting to break structure, or let's say it has broken structure somehow. It's still in this range, but it hasn't yet broken structure fully. It's still in this range, but again, it's good to see what is happening here after this dip here. After this dip, price went up, it came down, it held, yeah, which is good. That's what I want to see. Price should held and form this, to price should hold and form this W. So W, you can see this is W here, and I think the target is where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. That's around 0.75 or zero point 0.6. Let's see, 0.68 or 0.68 zone. So where the alpha trend points to the sell signal, that's the target on the daily time frame. And if say you are buying it now, I think mint layer, I don't know. Wait, I think one of the reasons why I don't like mint layer is this. Let me see if say this is actually the on coin market cap. Let's see. I have
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me.
sorry guys, I don't know what was going on. Sorry, I'm sorry. um I am looking at mint layer now, so I don't know if say let me see. Okay, I think the reason why I don't like mint layer is that the total supply, the max supply, this is the max supply, is 600 million, and the total supply is this. Now let's see, the security supply is just 64 million mint layer, but we have the total supply of 400, the max supply of 600 million, total supply of 400 million. So it's not really, it's confusing to me. When I was doing the research on mint layer, I saw all of this and I was like, nah, it's not giving me like exactly what I should be looking at. So I was a little bit skeptical about the project. And yeah, so yeah, but let's just go and do the analysis on mint layer. But guys, while you are watching, at least give me some likes there, like the show, and at least um yeah, the market is crying. Is the market crying? Let's see what's going on. Bitcoin is doing something. Let's see. Let's just go quickly to see what the big daddy is doing. Let's see. Is Bitcoin okay? All right. Bitcoin is not doing well, but it's still in structure. But this is a sign, that we're gonna see reversal. Yeah, as I mentioned for Bitcoin. But let's get to our mint layer analysis. Okay. Um. Yeah. Again, this is just what has been happening with mint layer. Price has been like, guys, look at this. The way I do analysis is simple. It's just simple. If you want to know where to buy, where to sell, it's simple. When you see a pump like this on particularly the daily time frame or higher time frame, what you do is you bring in the Fibonacci tool from the bottom, yeah, from where the pump started to the top. What you're looking at are zones where you can start buying again. So for us to confirm that we are back in a zone for us to buy, price must get into this area here. This area here, you can see, but price isn't in that area. Price is below that area. So because price is below that area, we don't have to like just fall and start buying. We must wait for price to break structure. And if price breaks structure, then it means that price is gonna get into this zone here, come back, hold, then get back up. So because of the fact that price left our zone, looking at the Fibonacci tool, then I'm not gonna be looking at any like any zones here to like, okay, now I want to buy. Instead, I'm gonna be looking for retracement zones. So to look for retracement zones, you're gonna pull again the same fib from that top now to where this retracement ended. Now you are looking at the first target. So you are looking at the first target if say price break structure, and this target here should be the area where we're gonna call the golden pocket. Because if I bring in the fib here, the fib again, from this bottom here to this top here, you're gonna see that it's gonna be exactly here. You see, exactly here. So this is the area where you should expect some sort of pullback, like pullback from here, and by that time, price must have broken structure. and you can now start taking the ride to the upside. Guys, it's simple. It's simple to analyze the market if you know what you're doing, and if say you actually are patient to stay on track. Yeah, I think that's that for mint layer. I'm not gonna do any other coin. I'm just gonna look at other stuff. Yeah, but this is just how you go about analyzing the market. And if say you must buy mint layer, wait for at least a break of this structure, then you wait for pullback, then you buy mint layer. So that's what I'm looking at for mint layer. Um, let's see, swapping us, guys. Lord, you have so many coins here. Let's just see what's going on in the market. We have to look at some coins here. Let's see what's going on with Dogecoin. It's still down. Let's see. Guys, this also might be an opportunity to buy. Let's see. Chapley is down 2%. ICP. I have ICP here, and ICP is still in structure. Okay, you can see price has been rejecting this zone multiple times, and those of you who are ICP fans, you can see price has rejected this zone multiple times. Multiple times. We are now here. So are we gonna break? you know. And if we break, then I'm seeing ICP to go right up to about $16 per ICP. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the target because if we break, break structure, come back, hold structure, then pump to the upside. And if we look at this on the 15 minutes time frame, okay, oh boy, this doesn't look so well actually. Price has gone below the alpha trend, so we should expect a quick retracement. Actually, I'm holding ICP. I just have to sell my ICP right now before anything else. Where is my phone? Let me just sell. I'm actually holding ICP, even though the alpha trend has printed this signal. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell ICP so I don't get um these two candles here are signals to me. But let me first of all look at ICP on this chart. Let's see ICP. Let's see what's going on here. Guys, I'm trading ICP, so that's why I'm looking at selling it. Okay, now looking at ICP on the 4 hours time frame, it looks bullish and we should expect pullback definitely because yeah, we should expect pullback most definitely. Yeah, looking at this structure, yeah, we should expect pullback to an extent, maybe to back to $8. But ICP looks so good. Even if I'm selling my ICP, yeah, if I sell it, yeah, right now, and it pump, it's gonna still come back there. But guys, usually when this coin is gonna pump, I don't want to be waiting to buy for pullback. I hate waiting so much because it's boring, even though I must wait, but I hate waiting because that's the only thing I can do to wait for pullbacks, before I can buy back again. So let's see if say this is the case. Yeah, this candle is huge candle. So because of the fact that this candle is huge, I should be looking at possible ways to sell this coin right now. So I want to wait for this candle to close. This is we still have 11 minutes more for this candle to close. So I want to see if this is going to engulf all of these other candles. Then I'm gonna sell. But we have some vectors here that could be the reason why we are seeing this dump for ICP. But let's stay here with let's look at with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is recovering somehow. It's still staying in that structure here, guys. It's still holding this structure. If the structure break, then that's not gonna be good for us. But I'm looking at where the alpha trend, sorry, where the beta moving average and the 200 moving average are. They might bring price there. It might bounce from here or this 800 day moving average. So yeah, anything can happen from where we are right now. And let's just see on the 15 minutes time frame. Um, I'm gonna look for sell opportunity here for Bitcoin. So let's just wait and see what price will do. And this is what I want to see, guys, for to sell. We have a vector here, but and also the alpha trend, the trend below is point has pointed this over sold area, yeah. But we are, we have been rejecting this zone here, yeah, and also yeah. So this might be, you know, an attempt to push price to the downside, or price might just be doing what price has been doing for some time now. You can see if you zoom out, you're gonna see that price has been moving in this range. You see. So we are still in an uptrend. Looking at how the chart is. Um, let's see. Mint layer ZFK. The market is crying. Yeah, guys, I've been live here for 30 minutes. I think we have learned some strategies, some good stuff here. We have analyzed some projects already. It's good to have you here, guys. If say you have any other coins you want me to check, I see Mint ZF. Let me just check on ZF. For my guy, Swap Finance. ZF. What is this coin ZF? Let me just check ZF before we go. ZF is what? It's on Mexic Global. Okay. Mm-mm. Let's see. This is not good. It's not helping my alpha trend. Let's see. Hmm. This bad boy has been going down, 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 down. I don't know which coin is this. Is it a meme coin or ZK swap? Okay, ZK swap. Okay. Looking at structure, I would say that price is attempting to break structure. Okay, we have been in a downtrend. Price has been in a downtrend here. Downtrend, forming lower lows and lower highs. You can see here. So for us to confirm this, price must break again. What I just told you guys, back then, price must break above this level, come back, hold here, before you can take it to the upside. So that's just how you can apply this. Don't You can still buy here, but there's no guarantee that price is not gonna keep going to the downside. Okay, but yeah, I'm seeing rejection here. Price is forming, is preparing to move to the upside somehow, because if we look at this on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that price has already broken structure here, and price is gonna attempt to move more to the upside. You can see it has already broken structure on the 4 hours time frame, so we might expect pullback here before any movement to the upside. Again, guys, this is simple. I don't have any fancy tools here that I use to analyze the market. What I do is look at market structure. I want to see what the market is doing. What structure is doing. Are we in an uptrend, downtrend? Moving sideways. You need to understand all of this if say you want to have a short in getting the best entry or trading any coin out there. So looking at this chart, it's not even a good chart, but again, if you understand how to trade structure, then you can just go to lower time frame, and then you're gonna see what price is doing. If price is making higher highs, higher lows, and if you can see higher highs, higher lows, going up. If price keep maintaining that structure, then you want to get involved full time. So that's just how um I'm looking at it. Let's look at Illivium. Illivium, you say? Illivium quickly. Um, let's see what we got here for Illivium. I saw a huge dip for Illivium the other day. I don't know what's going on with Illivium, but um, I think Illivium is gonna pump. That's just a simple thing. I think it's gonna pump. I think it's gonna pump. Even when Bitcoin is gonna dump, I think Illivium is gonna pump. It's about to pump. Looking at this structure, yeah, I think Elysium should pump. you should see a huge pump for Ethereum right up to at least 51 dollars. Yeah, and if we see a Ethereum pump to $51, then um, what I'm gonna do is wait for pullback to buy again. But from what I'm seeing here, this chart, what I'm seeing now for Ethereum, I think Ethereum is going to pump. Yeah, it's going to pump soon, anytime soon. I'm seeing these stopping volume candles here, still in here, seeing it here, and we are in an uptrend. And right now, price is holding around the better moving average. So we want to see price break above to 43 $43, then maybe go right up to 50, then retrace a little bit back to 40, then boom to the upside. Boom to the upside. So Ethereum looks bullish on the 4 hours time frame. And same on the daily time frame, it looks bullish as well. Even though we have been seeing price, like rejecting from the 50-day moving average. But this time around, I think we're gonna see a huge pump right up to that price point that I mentioned, and it might even go right up to. I think if we see a buy signal here for the alpha trend, then we might see it go right up to about $70 for a Lithium. That's what I'm looking at based on even here you can see even the looking at the the trendilo, it is above this 0.00 line and is pointing above to the upside. It's pointing to the upside. So I think we're gonna see an Ethereum pump. Yeah. So that's just what I'm looking at for Ethereum. All right, guys. I think this is it for today. Hopefully, you got some value. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.